CHR52MHEV sweeper is a special chassis structure and can be equipped with various pure electric multifunctional sweeper, comfortable gate, cab, 360-degree panoramic view. It is equipped with a split air conditioning and heating, which improves driving comfort. One-click operation system can realize sweeping with a maximum cleaning width of 2,400 with a strong suction system. It can quickly and effectively suck up. It can quickly and strongly suck in. It's efficient, greatly improving work efficiency. The maximum speed is 40 kilometers per hour. It can quickly travel to and from various work sites. Improve work efficiency. The special articulated chassis structure is patented. It has flexible steering. With small turning radius, it can easily move through narrow areas. The vehicle is 1,350 millimeters wide. It can pass through line width rod. It can switch between four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive to meet the needs of driving and climbing. In addition to the basic sweeping function, it can quickly replace other functional accessories to achieve snow removal, snow pushing, and spreading. It can be widely used in parks, stations, ports, docks, and other workplaces.